stand up there wait upon a taxi. A madman see me and start run towards me with a knife. So me run.
Okay.
When me run, him take out a slingshot, take up a stone off of the ground and shot me in my back.
Oh, so you get a back shot. Okay. Then what happened after that?
No, squad it. Alright, hear me again.
Me I hear you, man. Me I hear you. My ears are work.
The man a run me down with the knife.
Yeah.
Him pull out a slingshot.
Yeah.
Take up a stone off of the ground.
Yeah.
Put in the slingshot.
Yeah.
And shot me in my back while I'm running.
So now that me I write down, man, so you get a back shot. I that me right, you know.
Yo, Squaddy, you make the thing look away, Squaddy.
Oh, me I make the thing look away.
Yeah, dog, you make the thing look freaky.
Oh, me I make the thing look freaky. How will you tell me I write down, you know?
I tell you, say, it's a slingshot.
Alright, so me ask you a question. How where the man do?
Man shot me.
And how where him shot you?
In my back.
So when you put that together, where you get?
Shot back. What? You get shot back. When you put it together, you get shot back.
No, brother. No. I know so it go. If you go in front of the judge will tell you say a back shot you get.
Charge you, that me I try show you no officer, you make it look like a bed man bend over.
Hey yo, you take it to a place where me nah go there with you, you know. So here one, me I go call it in and make them tell you what to do. And that me I do, cause me nah go there with you. Wherever you go, me nah go there. Me just call it in.
No, me nobody want your help, officer. Me did it myself.
Officer reporting.
So me nobody want your help.
Me I report a sexual assault in the RP3 area, you know. A man come to me and I tell me say a man run him down and give him a back shot.
Blood clot.
Alright, copy that. Yo, me I forgot to take you to the nearest hospital, you know. Make them check your vitals if you have no STD.
Jamaicans, I think those are the only black people that don't like black people. They come to this country and treat us like we immigrants. They come out, yeah. Yankee boy, he lazy. He don't want work. I got 3 jobs, you can't get 1 job. If you let one go, maybe I can start my life, Winston.
Wagwan world. Today we are celebrating something that every Jamaican already knows. The world will be boring without Jamaicans in it. From Kingston to London, Miami to Toronto, anywhere a Jamaican day, laughter soon follow. The accent, the expression, the stories, pure comedy gold. So grab your popcorn because today we are highlighting the comedians who keep Jamaica and the world laughing non-stop.
Jamaicans, I think those are the only black people that don't like black people. They come to this country and treat us like we immigrants. They come out, yeah. Yankee boy, he lazy. He don't want work. I got 3 jobs, you can't get 1 job. If you let one go, maybe I can start my life, Winston. I'm regular. When I first met one, we didn't even get along. Because he stuttered, he gonna get mad at me because I don't know what the hell he talking about. He gonna come up to me like, you know, meow, 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 I thought this was a singer. I started doing this shit right here. I'm like, when the album coming out? I want to support you. Then he threatened me.
I grew up around black people. You don't scare me. I grew up around Jamaicans, man. Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. Any Jamaicans here tonight? They're like the most passive Jamaicans ever. They're like, Bobo lick shot. I, man, a brethren is a Jamaican. Look at this. Quietest Jamaicans in the world. Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. You know why? Because when I was growing up around Jamaicans, you hang around Jamaican people long enough, you feel the need to want to be Jamaican. They just look so cool. Everything about them is cool. When I was a kid, I was like, I wanted to be Jamaican so bad. I started dressing like a Jamaican. I started wearing a little red, yellow, and green belt and I started talking like a Jamaican. I started listening to reggae music. I started having kids I didn't know about. I did everything that I possibly could. But you know what the shitty thing is? A Jamaican will never act like you. You're never gonna see a Jamaican guy that grew up around a bunch of Indian guys walking around going, "Hey baby, whopping, whopping." Not gonna happen, you know? Felt bad for my dad because he tried fitting in with my Jamaican friends when I was growing up. You don't ever want a man from India trying to speak like a Jamaican at any point during his life. My friends would be in the living room, my dad walking, "Okay, come on, Marlon, move your bumbo clot and go home." My dad thought punani was a tropical fruit. It is if you think about it. For the older white folks that look confused right now, punani is the Jamaican word for a woman's. You know what I'm saying? For her pum pum. My dad thought it was a tropical fruit. One time when I was a kid, I was sick and I was messing around with my dad. He came here and he goes, "Oh my God, son, you're sick. What can I get you?" I go, "Dad, I love punani." My dad went to the Jamaican store. "Hey lady, where's your punani?" "My son is at home sick. He needs punani right now. Give me two. Is it ripe? Let me squeeze it." No seeds.
Jamaican men have this weird talent where they're able to say the most sexually outrageous thing to you and make it sound like the most beautiful poem ever written by man. And I literally saw it happen the other day. This man walked up to this woman and said, "Me want dive in your vagina and swim around like Poseidon." Sometimes it can be so supportive as well. Jamaican men have their own way of supporting women. I used to be really insecure about my fupa. Everyone know what a fupa is? For those of you who don't know, it basically stands for like fat upper pussy area. It's here. It's here. Yeah? And I used to go out of my way to try and hide it. Winston turned to me and said, "Good pum pum deserves shelter." I said, started walking into parties belly first like the Grinch. I said, yes, it's true.
And what we as Jamaican don't like, we don't like when somebody as Jamaican talk to we like them a Yankee. Yeah. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit at all. And right now my dad cringing. Yeah, the moment you start talking like this, it's like, why am I talk like that? No, I'm frightened. And that Jamaican said, I'm frightened.
The women in Jamaica are aggressive. Not like the girls from Brixton. These ones are for real, bruv. Man, them, you ever shook in a woman's hand and you feel like the female? I was like, hi. She's like, me and my brethren, we was in Donovan's van. This woman bust into the van. Yo, where you from? My voice got high. I was like, Hackney? I don't sound like that. She goes, yo, Hackney boy, you want some of this pum pum? Ladies and gentlemen, I was so scared. I was like, no, I've got a man. Thank you. She was still on it. I had to keep walking like this.
We don't cooperate, baby. Why you think they ain't fuck with Air Jamaica? It's a lot of fuel on that plane, but they know. They get on Air Jamaica, they be like, hey, oh, shit. Call Osama, this is not the right flight. No, they have threats. This is not going to work. You can't get on Air Jamaica talking about, hello, we are taking the plane. All you hear is... Pussy wall, sit down! Talk about hijack your mother! They hit it with the pussy, you know me? Cause that's a word in Jamaica.
Can't hijack no plane full of angry Jamaicans. If it's Jamaicans in here, I'm sorry. Y'all the angriest group of black people on the fucking planet. They will lick shot for every fucking thing.
Good morning, class. Now, Mr. Appiah is off sick, so you're going to have a new teacher today. Her name is Miss Kingston, and I want you all to be on your best behavior.
Yes, Mrs. Johnson.
Okay, shut your mouth, shut your mouth, shut your stinking beaks. My name is Miss Kingston. Can anybody spell Kingston? You.
K-A.
Wrong. Did your father teach how to spell? Or did he just teach how to fuck up woman's life? Sorry about my language. The correct spelling for Kingston is K as in mess with me, I will kill you. As in I don't need no good for nothing shit of a tarate, wife dumping, run off with a slut, ugly man. Put your bumperclan hand down. Today, we're going to teach about life. Yes, you beautiful future Prime Minister.
My mummy said that we should love life.
And I say, life is like a birthday. Then a man comes along and just shit in your kidney. Pussy Sorry about my language. Don't tell your parents I swear. But if you do, I will fuck you up.
May I have a plaster?
In Jamaica, we only use plasters for three things. 1, as sellotape. 2, as a silencer. And 3, as contraception.
Miss?
Shut your mouth before me thump you in your blood. It's now time for you to learn your nursery rhyme. Together now. Wah, wah, black man. You cut them all off. Shut your mouth, shut your breath, shut your stinking beaks. Because you're short, that means you're close to the ground, which means you're close to my foot. So unless you want to feel my foot, come on me blood clot, Ross clot. I mean, say, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Any Jamaicans here? I love y'all niggas, even though y'all talk backwards. You ever call a Jamaican house at night? Them niggas answer the phone, they go, hello, good night. You be just standing there like, I know this bitch ain't just hang up on me. My man Jamaican, I know they talk backwards. Me and this nigga went to the store to buy new shoes. I'm showing him the shoes. I said, Trevor, look, these shoes is brand new. He gonna look at his shoes and go, yeah, this is a new brand. You ever go to the Jamaican store? Is it me? Or it ain't never a nigga at the counter when you get there? You gotta hold the shit up you trying to buy and call him from the back. You be like, yo! Huh? How much? Huh? Hold on. How much is this? You be in a Jamaican store so long, you be like, you know what? I should walk the fuck out with this shit. As soon as you get that thought in your head, this nigga come from the back of the store, you know, this nigga right here. Bombaclad. What happened? You be like, what happened, nigga? I want to know how much is the 40? That 40 right there? Yeah, this one. How much is it, nigga? The big one? Yeah, the big one, nigga. How much is it? Stop playing. All right. Hold on a minute, man. I'm gonna go find out for you. Hey, that's my time. Man, I say, what up?
Let's be honest. Jamaican comedy is different. The humor is raw, real, and full of personality. We laugh about life, about struggles, about everything. When a Jamaican tells a story, it's not just funny. It's a whole performance. The facial expression, the tone, the attitude. That's the secret sauce. Even if you don't understand every word, the energy alone will have you weak with laughter. That's Jamaica for you, full of vibes and truth. Big up all the Jamaican comedians who represent worldwide. From the classic icons to the new generation, you see. Jamaican comedians don't just tell jokes, they tell life. Whether it's the neighbor who is always borrowing sugar, or taxi man's story that turns into a movie. It's all relatable, and that's why people love it. Comedy is part of their culture. Same like music and sports. It's how they connect, how they survive, and how they keep the positive energy flowing. What's beautiful is how far Jamaican humor has reached. You'll see clips going viral from Kingston to Canada, London, and even Japan. People everywhere trying to copy the accent, the jokes, and that special Jamaican timing. The world just can't get enough, and they love that. Because when Jamaica makes you laugh, you never forget it. But beyond the laughter, there is something powerful. Jamaican comedy reminds us that even through struggles, we can still smile. We laugh to heal, to connect, and to show strength. The humor comes from real life, and that's what makes it so authentic. Laughter is how Jamaicans spread love, and trust me, the world needs more of that. So, next time you hear a Jamaican joke, remember, it's more than just laughter. It is culture, it is pride, and it is pure energy. Drop a flag in the comments if Jamaican comedy ever brightened your day. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe, because Jamaica are not normal when it comes to entertainment. Big up the whole Jamaica. Laughter for life.